Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to use Instagram broadcast channels on 2025. So to do that, let's head over to our the steps I'm going to show you. So the first one is open your Instagram and go to your direct messages and tap the pencil icon on the top right corner to start a new message and tap create broadcast channel and enter a name for your channel, choose an audience and decide when the channel ends and choose whether to display the channel on your profile. Create, finalize and send a one-time invitation to your friends. So the second option is inviting your followers. Share the broadcast channel link as a story sticker, pin it to your profile or send a one-time notification to existing followers. Encourage followers to join by adding a join broadcast channel sticker on your stories. Tap and hold a message in the channel, then tap share the story, generating an image of the message. And find the broadcast channel in a if you want to join a broadcast channel, find the broadcast channel link in a pinned or story sticker pinned to their profile or in one-time notification. Tap join broadcast channel. If you are not already following the creator, you will be promoted to follow them, prompt to follow them. And after joining, the channel will appear in the Instagram inbox next to other messages or threads. So yeah, this is how you can do that. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.